Hey there, my name's Sarah and I'm going to be sharing with you an updated what's in my work bag. It's the bag basically I use for everything because inevitably if I switch to another bag or a purse then I definitely will forget something. Last time I did this video was November 2019 and I actually still have the same bag. It's the Fossil Rachel Tote in Bright Multi. So I thought it'd be really cool to share how the wear and tear has been since I'm not going to go into great detail about all the different parts of the bag. If you're interested in seeing the first video, I'm going to have that linked below. This stuff's not supposed to be here. My phone is the first thing that's in my bag. Then we've got a water bottle, my reusable bag, as well as something new that I like to now keep in here is a net bag. So if I'm doing grocery shopping off the fly. Now this is a really cool, important thing that I think everyone should have in some capacity. And you might notice it is a bicycle, but it is covered in Frozen 2 stickers, which I took off from Bananas and I all of a sudden had an obsession with collecting them all and decided to put them on here. They're not very classy looking, but that's that. My mom got me this bag. It says it's from a brand called Blue Q Bags. I've got pads, hand moisturizer, really cute hair tie. I like this one because it's kind of like a matte feeling. It doesn't feel scratchy or pulley when I have it on my wrist or in my hair. I've got a comb, mirror combo, hand sanitizer, floss. Things are falling off my lap. Nail file, lip balm. This one's really good. I like the shape of it. It's Me to We tea infused lip butter from David's Tea. I've got some kind of pills for everyday things like headaches or stomach ache in this little container that my friend gave me. Another normal hair tie, and then actually I've got more hair ties in here than I thought I did. Normally I don't have any and I'm really sad because I'm like hot and I need to get my hair up. I have these hair ties which are similar to this one, but these ones I don't find as good. They kind of pull my hair. They're a bit more thin and they don't have that kind of nice smooth matte feeling. I can't remember if this one's the one that turns colors in the sun. Definitely got most of these hair ties from Justice which is a kids brand, but I mean hair ties are for everyone. And then I have my little woven cross that I like to keep in there. Little rubber toothpicky things that I need to stock up on actually. They remind me of like green little trees. I was seeing if I could like show you in the moment what they look like. Yeah, that's what they look like. That's everything that's in that little pouch. I've got my new glasses. These ones are from Balm. They're kind of like a clear rosy pink color and they definitely need to be cleaned because I see like a splotch in front of my eye. I don't tend to wear them in videos just because I'm not sure about the glare and I just was so used to not wearing my glasses because I didn't like them before. These ones are super cute. I really like them and they were a really good price, but that's for another video. Maybe I'll do a review because I had a good experience in the end, but overall with Balm it was a little difficult to get there, but I love my glasses. I also have my prescription sunglasses as well, and these are in like a very large case. It's like a brick. I will always be able to find them in my purse and won't have to fish around. They're Tiffany & Co. I'm not too much of a brands person, but I was like, ooh, I love the color. It's one of my favorite colors, I think, now. It's always been kind of purple and pink, but I think this is really just what I gravitate to. These ones aren't from Balm. They're from a different glasses place. I just really like them. Feel really classy, very Tiffany, very Audrey Hepburn. Yeah. The last thing in this main compartment that I have is my Kate Spade wallet with the little wrist thing there, and it's got cards, some money, coin, receipts, etc. Maybe I should do a little like review on this wallet because it stayed in great shape and I really like it. And coincidentally, okay, more stuff's gonna fall off of my lap. I think it goes really well with this purse. It kind of goes with that like light blue in there. Inside the purse, there's also a little zip. I've got my work ID, which I don't really want to show because, you know, reasons. In the outside two compartments, this first one I have Easy Instant Pot lasagna pasta that I want to make that doesn't belong in there now, and a little notebook cute little polka dots, earbuds that come with all of your Apple stuff that I like to use but unfortunately get tangled. I'm looking into a different pair that don't do that. I've got a pen and a pencil. Always good to have something to write with. In the last side pocket here, I've got some Kleenex. This was from Christmas, a cracker, but I was like, ooh, maybe this will come in handy if I'm ever with a group of people and I'm bored, and that hasn't happened yet, but it's a just in case thing and it's really cool. It's like a little set of playing cards. I've got this little Henry's thing that you can clip onto things, but basically I like to use it for cleaning my glasses. It's actually meant to clean lenses. Let me give you a little clean there. I don't know if anyone's going to notice the difference, but there you go. Got a really cool measuring tape. I think it's meant for clothing because it's like the bendy kind. Maybe if you're at the hardware store trying to measure something and ta-da, I have one. Oh, I did not know I had this in here. I think this one's from a cracker too. It's like a little spin top thing. And I also, ooh, this is really dirty because it's like rubbery. I think this is meant to like strap onto like a bag or a bike, but it is basically a light so people can see you. I've actually used this when I've been crossing the road and I want to make sure that I'm visible at night. Do not wear dark clothing at night, especially if you're crossing the street. It's just something I need to have, these little tools that I haven't really used on the go, as well as this tape. Most people don't have a little reel of tape in their bag, but I do. Overall, I'm really happy with the wear and tear on the bag. Don't have any complaints other than I'm a little disappointed that kind of brown leather like look is peeling off, but it has been a while and it's the only bag that I use, so I think it's understandable. I think it's a great option if you're looking for kind of like an everyday bag for work and just like life in general. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to click that bell icon so you can be notified as soon as I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.